Hey guys, Terry Stone with another video here. I know it's been a little bit, but hey, it took a couple days, 3 days, did some thinking. Was trying to figure out what I was going to do a video on to help you guys out the best I can. And a question was asked to me yesterday, which kind of piqued my interest. I had a friend of mine on Facebook ask people if you could give an affiliate marketer, a brand new affiliate marketer, a brand new person to the scene, one piece of advice in the beginning, what would it be? And after I thought about it, there's a lot of things I could have said, but the one thing I wish I knew then, what I know now, is start your email list in the very beginning. Why you want to start your email list is because you own that list. So when people give you an email, on a landing page, etc., you then technically own that email. Yes, the person that has it owns it, but what I mean by that is no matter what happens, no matter if Facebook goes down or wherever platform you're doing your traffic from or anything goes down, you still own that email list and you can still be making money. So, start your email list in the very beginning. It's very, very important. So how do you start an email list? Well, if you that's what we're going to go over in this video. And if you stick with me until the end, I have a bonus one at the very end where it's my favorite way of making money. And yeah, let's get started. So when you're doing an email list, the first thing you need is something that's going to collect an email. And what we consider those are, it can be a squeeze page, landing page, etc. Right in that, name. One of those pages where they put their name, their email, the phone number, just their email, however you want to do it. And with those landing pages, there are a few options here that I wrote down. I have a notebook here for you. I took some quick little notes here. And I'm going to give you a list of them. The first, there's really two big names out there that stand out to me in the landing page scene, and that is Clickfunnels, which is a huge renowned name, Russell Brunson, and Builderall. Those two are your biggest landing page builders. Builderall's more of an all-in-one thing, but they're really known for their landing pages and their web pages that you can build on there. So there's Clickfunnels, there's Builderall. After that, there's Lead Pages, Thrive, Architect, and Unbounce. Those are your landing pages, services. Clickfunnels, Builderall, Lead Pages, Thrive Architect, and Unbounce. After you find a service you want to use to collect emails with, you will need what they call an autoresponder. An autoresponder is where you're going to send those emails to hold them and be able to email your list every time you feel like sending out an offer. You can do automated emails. So let's say you could do like 7 days worth of emails and someone opts in on your landing page. They go over to your autoresponder and they get sent 7 days of emails of you trying to sell whatever offer you're trying to sell, or if you just want to give value. Now with the autoresponders, some big names that I know of out there is MailChimp, Aweber, ConvertKit, SendLane, Drip, and Constant Contact. I don't have a favorite out of these guys. I've used a few of them. I haven't used them all. I've used Aweber, I've used ConvertKit, MailChimp, and SendLane. Out of all of them, my two favorite have to be ConvertKit, and I would have to say probably Aweber. I really liked Aweber. So once you get your landing page, your autoresponder, you're going to want to get a website. Reason for that is, yes, there's some pages like Lead Pages and Builderall and Clickfunnels that hold their own funnels, but there's others like Thrive Architect and others out there that you need to have a website or a web page, however you want to say it, to link it to. So some good things for that would be Bluehost, GoDaddy, HostGator, and my personal favorite, because to me I can find the cheapest websites there, is Namecheap. So again, that's Bluehost, GoDaddy, HostGator, and then Namecheap. Once you get your website, depending on how you want to do it, you can go ahead and just link your page, your one landing page, to that link. Or you can get web hosting. And when you get web hosting and you put WordPress on that website, you then have an opportunity to put multiple pages, because you'll have what they call little sublinks. So let's say your website was your name. My name's Terry Stone. So it would be www.terry-stone.com / and then whatever I decide to name my landing page. Say simplefreedom.com or Simple Freedom Club or something like that. And good web hosting, it really comes in helpful. I'm picky when it comes to my web hosting, because I want someone who's going to be able to let me know, when something happens security-wise, and that I know I can get a hold of somebody if I need it. If my website goes down or something like that, I know I can get a hold of them pretty fast, and they'll be on it for me. So, some web hosting for you guys would be SiteGround, DreamHost, the WP Engine, which is a little more advanced, a little more expensive, but definitely worth the amount, Bluehost, and my favorite, HostGator. I have to actually say Bluehost and HostGator are my two favorite ones, but if I choose between the two, one's a yearly, which is Bluehost. You pay yearly, which not too bad for a year. If you do the minimum, like the lowest one, it's like $59 a year. It's really not bad in the scheme of things. However, HostGator does it for me because I can pay monthly. That way, if I decide not to go with a website or something like that, I can just go ahead and take it off and not have to worry about it. And not have paid the hosting for it forever and a day. So, we're going to recap, guys. In order, like I said, when you first start out in affiliate marketing, it is very important to get your email list started. In order to do that, you want to get a landing page, either Clickfunnels, Builderall, Lead Pages, Unbounce, or Thrive Architect. You want to get an autoresponder, which can be SendLane, ConvertKit, Drip, Aweber, MailChimp, Constant Contact. You need to get a website, which you can get them from HostGator, GoDaddy, Bluehost, or Namecheap. And you want to get hosting so that you can build multiple pages out, which can be purchased from SiteGround, DreamHost, WP Engine, Bluehost, or HostGator. HostGator. Now, as promised, I do have a bonus at the end for you guys sticking around for these 9 minutes. I do have a bonus site and service that I personally use right now to do everything I need. My hosting is HostGator. I got my website from Namecheap.com, and to get my landing page and my autoresponder all together, and technically you can host it on here too, is GetResponse. Now, a lot of people are going to go, GetResponse? Why would you want to say that's your favorite? It's simple, guys. GetResponse is cheap. It's like $15 a month for up to 1,000 people, subscribers. I can do landing pages on that. I mean, yeah, they're not the best, but they're landing pages and they work. They convert. and I can host it there on their little platform, that takes care of all three of them in one. Today I just got an email from GetResponse that said that all GetResponse members are now able to use their free ad builder. So you can now build ads on GetResponse for free, for no more than what you're already paying. If you go to the next level, the $49 a month, you get a chance to do webinars on the hosting platform, on an autoresponder platform. That's amazing, guys. Amazing. So, if you got any value from this, I hope you did. Will you please, please, please hit that like button. Go down to the link below and hit subscribe. And hit that bell notification so that you are notified when more videos like this come out. Don't forget, GetResponse. The link is down in the description below for you guys, or in the first comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, make your email list. Have a great night, guys.